Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome yet again to another powerful super episode right here in our playlist, Software Engineering Concepts 500 Python Software Engineering Concepts. Do well to check it out on the playlist tab of the channel. In this video we are going to understand yield and yield from in Python. So yield and yield from in Python, they are generator functions in Python that enable efficient processing of data through lazy evaluation, producing values one at a time to conserve memory. The yield keyword, which came up in Python 2.3, was created the foundation for generators, and the while yield from came out of Python 3.3, and it improved handling of nested generators and also iterables. So what are the key differences between these two? So we'll look at two blocks of code, and then you can run it out, understand it out, and then test it out. Let us know how it went for you. Here's one for the yield, where we define a simple generator function where we have yield 1, yield 2, yield 3, and then we have a for loop, okay, for value in so then we'll do that. Okay, so with the yield, the generator actually produces a single value and pauses execution until the next value is actually requested, and each yield statement returns exactly one value to the caller. So we also have yield from, where we have a defined nested generator where we have some yield from some list, and then another one within parentheses, and then we have a for value in the nested generator function again. So so this yield from delegates control to another generator or iterable, automatically iterating through all its values, and this simplifies composition of generators and handling of sub generators. Do well to try out these codes in your VS Code or PyCharm or whichever IDE integrated development environment you are using. Let us know how it went for you. If you do not understand anything, do well to post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.